Kipp GMC Cadillac Buick has done business a little differently for many years with fair, transparent business practices and a no-pressure approach. This philosophy has created a feeling of joining a family when you purchase a vehicle with us. Going forward, we're revolutionizing the way in which a car purchase is made. Instead of talking to a salesperson and then talking to another person, the finance manager, we're using a one-person approach. We're streamlining the process so that the person who helps you find the right vehicle is also the person that will show you the many ways to purchase and protect your new vehicle. The following is what your sales and finance professional will show you once you've gotten to a point of finalizing your deal. Hello, I'm Mike Diesel, sales manager at Kipp, and chances are we've already met, if not very soon. Welcome to our product and services presentation where you get to be in the driver's seat and make decisions that will protect you and your investment. We've listened and we're trying to make the vehicle buying experience not only more enjoyable and more time efficient, but exactly what you want. The following videos will explain products and services that are available to you, and then your sales and finance professional will be able to answer any questions that you may have. The SMART Program. A company called SMART Program created a solution especially designed for Alberta, mostly because we have so much gravel on our city and highway roads for what feels like 8 months of the year. The first part of this program is windshield chip repairs. With it, you get unlimited chip and crack repairs. The second part is for rock chips anywhere on your paint. They will be repaired free of charge, and they'll repair up to 12 per visit, and you can come back as many times as you like. On top of that is scratch and dent repair, for those times you don't want to park as far away from the mall as possible. The SMART program will also cover repairs for rips, tears, and burns to your interior, leather, or cloth. And the best part, you can use it anywhere in Canada and there's no deductible. The Alberta Climate Package, which includes the following 5 items. First, Xpel. In order to be a leader in our industry, we search out products that offer higher standards of quality. We bring you Xpel. It's similar to the 3M protection film, but it's better in that it doesn't yellow and it's self-healing with heat. It's a clear film that protects your paint against rock chips and scratches that can be applied to any painted surface of your vehicle that you'd like. The common areas are high-impact zones for rocks, such as bumpers, hoods, fenders, and mirrors. If you'd like any additional areas covered, just let your sales professional know and they'd be happy to get that applied for you. This has become one of the most popular products that Albertans are investing in today and important for the future resale and trade-in value of your vehicle. The second is Undercoat. We put your vehicle up on a hoist and spray the undercarriage with Undercoat. It's a tar-like substance that does a couple of beneficial things. 1, it'll make sure to protect your undercarriage from things you can't control, such as the salts, gravels, ice, snow, in turn making sure that you don't get rust in those hard-to-reach and clean places. And 2, it's a sound dampener. It'll quiet your interior cabin noise by up to 60%. The third is Rust Inhibitor. This product goes hand in hand with the Undercoat. The Undercoat will make sure that your undercarriage doesn't rust out on you, but the Rust Inhibitor will make sure that you don't get rust anywhere that you see paint. The common areas for rust are around your wheel wells, the corners of your doors, and the seams of your hood. We spray it inside the panels and seal off the sheet metal from any moisture that gets down in there, whether it be from rain or just when you wash your vehicle. The fourth is Paint Protectant. Our Paint Protectant is applied to the entire painted surface of your vehicle and has many great benefits, like making sure your paint never fades or oxidizes and helps to keep it glistening like new and makes it easier to clean when you go through a touchless car wash. Another amazing benefit is if you get any light scratches, you can polish them out, bringing your paint back to new again. What's the first thing that people look at when they look at your vehicle? It's automatically the paint, so this is your best chance to protect the value of your vehicle. Finally, interior protection. We protect 3 different areas of your interior. If you have leather, the product that we apply to the leather is a conditioner. Just like our skin, when the weather changes, your leather starts to dry out and crack. The conditioner will help to keep your leather soft and supple. Now, if you have fabric interior, we apply a product to your seats and carpets that will repel liquids so they don't soak in, stain, smell, or fade over time from the sun. And finally, we apply a product to protect your interior vinyl. This will help keep your vinyl from fading and help eliminate dust on your dash, again increasing your resale value. Hello, and thank you again for allowing us to earn your business. Let's talk about protecting your investment with mechanical breakdown coverage, otherwise known as extended warranty. In the event that your vehicle breaks down, chances are the repair will be covered for you and you won't have to take money out of your savings, use a credit card, or scrounge to find repair money in your couches or old jacket pockets. You need your vehicle every day to get to work, drive the children from point A to point B, or maybe it's checking on a family member. In any case, you can't wait to have it fixed. This coverage will eliminate out-of-pocket expenses, so you won't be surprised with a bill. Because let's face it, the same time that your dishwasher goes, or the kids have a field trip, is the same time that your vehicle is going to break down. Generally, if you're buying new, the manufacturer always makes sure you're covered with a 3-year 60 or 4-year 80 comprehensive warranty, as seen here. But if you drive a lot and keep your vehicle longer than 3 years, you need to be protected. With the number of electronics and advanced technology in vehicles now, increased shop rates, and how much one single repair can cost, you need to make sure that you're not self-insuring when it comes to mechanical breakdowns. It's better to have it and not need it, rather than need it and not have it. Gap insurance. If you experience a collision or incident such as theft or fire, which let's face it is not uncommon with where we live, and it results in the total loss of your vehicle, gap insurance can do one of two things for you. One, if you have negative equity or a high interest loan, it will pay off the total amount that you have left owing to the bank for the full term of the loan. So if you owe $30,000 and your insurance company says that the vehicle is only worth $20,000, the gap insurance will cover the difference of $10,000, allowing you to start fresh with your new car in a no negative equity situation. Pretty nice, right? Or the other option is replacement gap insurance. On new vehicles, this means that if your vehicle is a total loss, the gap insurance will pay you back the entire MSRP on a brand new same type vehicle. So let's say the MSRP when you buy is $90,000, but you only pay $82,000. Then 4 years down the road, your vehicle is written off and your insurance company says it's only worth $60,000. Instead of just getting back what your insurance company wants to give you, you would get an extra $30,000. You can have this coverage for up to 7 years, where insurance companies often only go for 3 years. We also pay your deductible, so really it makes it an easy choice when deciding which replacement coverage you should have. If you're purchasing a used vehicle, it works like this. Say you buy a 3-year-old truck and in 2 years your truck is written off. At that time, you'll get the money back to buy another 3-year-old same type, same value vehicle. You can get this gap insurance on used vehicles for up to 60 months. Credit life insurance. In the event of death, whether natural or accidental, the loan balance of your vehicle is paid off. It's just like home mortgage insurance. It ensures that your family or estate is not left with a vehicle payment and may have uninterrupted use of your vehicle without having to pay it off. Most people life insure their two largest assets, their house and their vehicle. Self-insuring, of course, is only asking for unexpected expenses. Illness or injury insurance. In the event that you're unable to work due to sickness or injury, whether it happened on or off the job, your monthly vehicle payments will be made. This protection will continue until you return to work again, regardless of other incomes. It's a credit protection and gives you full peace of mind that you won't have to struggle with bills if the unthinkable happens. Many people think that they have enough coverage from work until they're in this situation and quickly learn that the reduced income is just not enough. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or have savings, this coverage can help you in an already tough time. When you get a new phone, you spend good money on care programs, screen protectors, and cases. So why wouldn't you do the same with a purchase that is exponentially more expensive than a new phone? Protect your investment. If you have any questions, your sales and financing professional would be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you again for your time, and thank you for becoming part of the Kipp family.